What's up everyone, Tyson here. Yesterday I showed you how to use conversational programming to make a face cycle. Today I'm going to walk you through how to make an OD roughing cycle. So I'm going to hit the plus mark, hit cycle. I'm going to select a turning operation. I'm going to go to general, and then I'm going to pick OD pass left because we're going to be cutting from the left side. Now it's going to ask me to start drawing the contour of the part. So I'm going to start typing in my dimensions. So starting X of 4.5, starting Z of 0, and then I'm going to hit set. From there I'm going to add a radius. So we'll click the radius button there. And for the radius, I'm just going to put in 100 thousandths. That's all good, so we'll hit set. So I'm going to click the arrow in the direction that I want to cut. And then we're going to type our Z movement. I'm going to type in 0.875. Hit set again. Now I need to type in our next direction, so we're going to go up. And X, we're going to go up to 4.875. Hit set again. Now I'm going to add a chamfer. Click the chamfer button. And the chamfer, we're just going to make a 50 thousandths chamfer. Set. Now we're going to go across the part again, so click on the arrow. Our Z move next is going to be down to 2 inches. Hit set. And then finally I'm going to tell it to come off the part, so we're going to go straight up. And for this end X number, I'm going to put 5 inches, 0.05. So 5 inches, 50 thousandths. We're going to hit set. So we got our contour made. Now I'm going to hit shape end. Alright, so now that we have our contour made, we're going to start entering information about the tool. For finish type, we're going to select rough tool, and I'm going to hit set. Once again, it brings up a tool it thinks I want to use. I'm going to hit save, and now I'm going to start editing the tool. Start by changing the cut to rough. Tool ID once again, 1000. T code 101. Cut speed 225. Feed of 12 thousandths per revolution. For the cutting depth, we're going to go 80 thousandths. Command point, which point of the insert do we want to use? Number 3. And then the nose radius of our insert, 0.0312. Nose angle, I'm just going to put 80 degrees. A pocket angle of 5 degrees. And then for pocket, unable. Now we're going to go down to the last options here. Gear range, I'm going to hit auto. Rotation direction, clockwise. Coolant, turn on coolant. M1, M0, I'm going to hit M1. So I'm going to hit save. And then I'm going to push this play button here. Hit OK. And then we got a program. And there we have an OD pass. If you like this video, make sure you hit like and subscribe. If there's anything you want me to show you, leave a message in the comments.